Hi students. Variation on a Spanish Theme is a classical piece, and this is for learning music on the staff, 5 lines, 4 spaces. And we have things called ledger lines that extend the notes below the staff, and there's also ledger lines to extend above. This piece is something that all classical guitarists play early on in their instruction. Now, we're not playing 2 notes at the same time, but we are getting into a pattern where we're playing a B every other time. Now, the B is open B, the 2nd string. And I'm going to pluck that with my 2nd finger, and I'm going to play the bottom notes with my thumb. Now, the bottom notes. Now, the note below that ledger line is a B. B is the 2nd fret of the A string. The next different note is a C, that's 3rd finger. Then it goes back to a B, and then open A. Now, that's the open 5th string. G is the 3rd fret on the E string, and F natural, this note with the 3 ledger lines, that's F, is the 1st fret of the low E, and then the lowest note possible is low E, and that's the note that's just below the 3 ledger lines. And then it goes back to the 2nd fret B, 3rd fret C, open A. Now on the 3rd line, you play an open E to a B, and then they suggest you put like an E minor chord there on the frets on the guitar, because you play a low E, then a B, then an E, an E again, B, then, now this was 2nd fret, this was 2nd fret, this was 2nd fret, and this was 2nd fret. So let me do that again. Now the next measure begins with open E and the B, and then on the C to the F, which is, you move your hand up to the 3rd fret, and you keep these 2 fingers down. Let me show you. So on that measure, you have the open E to the B. Then you put these 2 down, because this is going to stay. Then the next one is open E. Then the next one is 5th position. And that's that line. By the way, so you can see what I'm doing. So here's It's all with the thumb. Let me play the piece in its entirety. Oh, by the way, and the last two chords are E minors. Try to fan the fingers like a la flamingo. Here we go. And let me put the metronome on so I have a good solid. These will be eighth notes. 1 and 2 and go. Second line. Now the two fingers. Just like that.